Hi guys, Kevin Fada here, and welcome to the demo video for Results AI Engage. So, more or less, this is a WordPress plugin that you can use basically on your own site, on multiple sites, and you can actually export many of the scripts to use on any page you want, including HTML pages. It has got some really, really cool, amazing options. It is designed to help you grow your email list. It is designed to help you promote affiliate offers or your own offers. It's designed for notifications and legal pages. It's designed for sticky header bars, pop ups, callouts, and pretty much anything you want to do. There are so many different ways to use it. I have been having a lot of fun with this plugin since I started using it. I just want to show you some examples that I've set up here. They are all disabled. I'm actually running this demo on my own live membership site as well. So I just want to, in this demo, I just want to show you when you click create a campaign, you've all these different options, and it's just as easy as, for example, you would like a newsletter sticky bar. You can write a description with or without AI. I will state that with all our plugins, basically, they work with and without AI, and they obviously work without the pro version as well. That's exactly how we create them. So for this example, I'm just going to say free opt-in report for AI video, just for example, and generate a copy. It's going to create a copy for me. You can have opt-in or you can just have a call to action. If you turn on opt-in, basically all of these buttons appear. You can put in whatever fields that you would like. You can come along. Obviously, it connects to over 36 different autoresponders. So I've got my active campaign connected here. Just choose your list. Choose here basically where they delivered after they opt in, and everything works perfectly. Obviously, if you want to open them up in a new window as well, that is it. So it is that simple, that quick. In just 1 second, I can just save and publish that. And I just come back to my membership site here, refresh the page, and you can see it's live here at the top. Perfect opt in bar. So that is just a really, really quick example. If I just go back to campaigns here now, I'm just going to show you a few other ones. So let's just disable that. With one click, you can clone them, you can export them, you can copy them from site to site. You can do pretty much anything you want. So let's go with, let me just turn on the welcome mat, and just to test this, I'll basically open up a new window, and you can see straight away once people land on the site, they're taken to the pop-in, they can opt in, they're at the other website. It is just really, really cool in that sense. Let's test another one, the flash sale countdown timer. I'll just activate that, go back to this site, and straight away, boom, we have a flash sale countdown timer on our site like that. Obviously, they have a close button as well, and people can continue. There's just so many different options, and it just works absolutely flawlessly. So let's just go click on create a new campaign. As I said, if you have AI connected, you can just basically write a campaign for you. So, for example, sticky header bar, and build my campaign. You don't really have to choose or pick if you want. You can just come along and let AI build it for you from start to finish. And here we have our design. Here we have our pop in. We have our opt in form. Collect the emails if we want. It is just absolutely amazing in every sense. So within the system, it collects leads, and obviously you collect leads within the system, and you can turn a campaign to connect to over 36 different autoresponders. Let me just show you the connection tab here. You've got all of these autoresponders built in. We do use the same proven system across all of our plugins, so we know this works. The pro settings allow you to, it's completely optional to connect to Google, OpenAI, or Claude in any way and use any model you want. You also have settings in here, like all our plugins, the license system, the theme picker. You have send, if you have WP Sync installed, you can send all the syncs directly to WP Sync and send them anywhere you want. The same with WP Conversion Tracker, you can track absolutely everything start to finish. It basically forwards on the click ID. And you've got all these other teams like do not respect, do not track, store IPs, allow exit on mobile, which I tend not to use. And if you want to delete everything or save it, if you remove the plugin, that is there as well. You have a full training resources, and of course, lots of training videos to come in the future. And I suppose more and more amazing updates. So this is the demo video for Results AI Engage. I am absolutely blown away with the plugin, with what it can do, and basically the options that it includes, especially if, again, to promote your own affiliate offer, to promote your own offers, to promote affiliate offers, and most importantly, to build your actual email list. This is Kevin Faddy, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video.